Are you trying to find the perfect gift that delivers for your RC lover, even yourself, without destroying your budget? We've scoured the best hobby-grade RC vehicles we have available, put together 10 absolute thrillers, and every single one is priced under $150. And stay tuned because we're dropping a mystery pick at the end, a rad little stocking stuffer, and suggestions for unreleased vehicles that should be available before Christmas. Keep in mind, these vehicles are only going to be from brands we carry in store. There are plenty of other awesome budget bashers out there, and we highly recommend you check them out. We're just giving you options from our ever-expanding lineup that don't suck and make great gifts on a budget. We're talking brushless bashers, dedicated rock crawlers, even floaters and flyers. Let's get started. Kicking things off, first we have the BlackZon Spryte ST. This is a 1/20th scale stadium truck that's an absolute blast indoors or outside. It's compact, four-wheel drive, and basically indestructible. Perfect for getting started in RC or just having a durable, quick run whenever you want. You can hand off the remote to your kid or someone else without them hurting themselves, the car, or you. At only $69.59, you can't beat this kind of ready-to-run value, and if you do break something, parts are very cheap. BlackZon also has a turbo version of the Spryte coming out soon, which is brushless and should hit the market well below that $150 price point. Staying with BlackZon, we size up a bit and go to our max budget with the Smyter Desert Buggy. This 1/12 scale machine has that awesome desert racer styling, it's got the sick looks and the larger scale size you need to crush rougher patches of dirt, gravel, and grass without getting bogged down. If you want that full-size off-road feel on a budget, this is what you want to look at, and while this buggy is really cool, the Munster and Desert Truck versions are going to handle slightly better out of the box. There is also a turbo version of this model which we have here, but it breaks our budget, so it's a no-no for this video. Now, BlackZon does also have a new short course truck and rally car coming with base options that should land under that $150 price point. Now, if you're shopping for a speed demon, listen up. At number 3, the MJX Mu4 M163 is a 1/16th scale four-wheel drive basher with one massive trick up its sleeve: a brushless system. That means serious high-speed performance right out of the box, way beyond what you'd expect for it at this price point. It's got the big meaty off-road tires, all-metal drivetrain, and even comes with a 2S LiPo battery right inside the box. And while this is our favorite option from MJX under that $150 price point, they do have several other options you can choose from as well. But coming in at $99.99, the Mu4 M163 is just really hard to beat and my personal favorite pick on the list. But sometimes the weather doesn't cooperate, or you just want to run indoors. That brings us to number 4, the Tiny Titan, the Rage RC Mini Trek MT. At 1/24th scale, this is your smallest option on the list, making it absolutely perfect for setting up obstacle courses right in your living room or on your kitchen floor. It's fantastic indoor fun, easy to transport, and a great way to scratch that RC itch at any time. Super friendly for all ages, and it's only going to set you back $79.99. Alright, let's shift gears from the raw speed bashers to just raw torque. Our 5th ground-based gift for the patient and precise driver is the HobbyPlus CR18P Convoy Trail Crawler. This 18th scale machine is a dedicated 4x4 crawler. It's all about articulation, low speed torque, and conquering the steepest, rockiest paths you can find. If you're shopping for someone who loves technical challenges more than raw speed bashing, the CR18P lineup from HobbyPlus is an amazing entry point into the world of scale crawling. There's also a sick rock band version available as well in 2 different colorways, and these guys are more than capable of taming the trails outdoors or even just your living room, couch, or office desk. HobbyPlus also has some sick 6x6 and 8x8 options, but they break that $150 price point, so we're sticking with the $129.99 Convoy and rock band. Moving to something more hands-on, we got the Louise RC LDX. Now, this car will set you back more than $150 to get running, but to get started, it's only $130 for a 10th scale pre-assembled 4-wheel drive touring car based drifter that is really good. It's a great option for someone already invested in the hobby, as you just need to add your own electronics and body, which if you've been in the hobby for a while, you probably already have laying around. And being that it's touring car based, a tire swap is the difference between drifting around your favorite course or burning laps at your local track or parking lot. The next 4 RC gifts are for those who want to fly high, skim the water, or even do both at once. Starting on the water at number 6, we got the Rage RC Supercat MX. This micro racer is built for fast-paced fun in small bodies of water. You can toss it in your pool, the pond, even a calm stream. Now, depending on where you live, you may have to wait a few months after Christmas to use it, but it's still a great boat on a budget, and it's very easy to handle for beginners with its catamaran style hull. We've been beating on this guy pretty good, and they always seem to come back unscathed after crashing. Now, Rage also has a really cool mini RC jet boat coming out soon that I recommend you guys keep your eyes open for. Up next, we take to the air with the Rage RC Volitar X helicopter. This heli is micro-sized and can be flown indoors, but you do need a good bit of space and a calm day to take advantage of all the cool features it has inside. Like its built-in stunt modes, which allows you to do flips and barrel rolls. It also features a 6-axis gyro and flight stabilization along with 3 different flying modes. That makes this little dude one of the easiest flying helicopters ever. And if you're looking for something a bit different but still want to fly, check out the Rage RC Aeroboard micro drone. It has this unique skater or snowboard style design. It also has the 6-axis gyro flight stabilization and 3 flying modes, along with its own stunt modes similar to the Volitar X. It's extremely tiny and light, making it perfect for small spaces, making it a fantastic choice for someone looking for a unique entry-level drone that's ready to fly right away and is small house friendly. Rage also offers hoops you can make a race course with, and for under $150 you can pick up 2 of these guys and a couple sets of hoops. Drone racing through your house is definitely not a bad way to spend Christmas morning, and if you have to deal with the in-laws, just crash these suckers into them a few times. Finally, for a true multi-talented marvel, number 10. The Rage RC Tribus 250 EP. 3-way fun. This amphibious aircraft doesn't just fly and float, it glides over water, land, and even snow. It's essentially 3 vehicles in one. If you want a gift that guarantees you can play with it no matter what terrain or time of year, the Tribus 250 EP is the answer. Now, you are going to need a bit more space to play with it, and while it reacts slow in the air, it's not as beginner friendly as the Volitar X or Aeroboard. If you're not careful, you can easily end up a couple neighborhoods over with this guy. But at only $69.99, you can pick up 2 of these and have a riot. It's also way tougher than what it looks like. Other than knocking a prop off, we beat the crap out of this guy and it just kept coming back for more. Alright, and I did promise to stuff your stocking, and to do that we got the Rage RC spinner missiles. While not radio control, this is just pure novelty fun. It's a high-flying toy that delivers a quick burst of excitement and is a fantastic stocking stuff for a last-minute impulse buy for anyone who loves things that spin fast and fly hard. Nah, for real though, me and cameraman Derek had an absolute blast with the spinner missiles. Way more fun than I thought we would ever have. They're an absolute blast. The Spinner Missile XL is also a really good choice if you can find them. Unfortunately, they're now discontinued, and ours is somewhere up at the top of a tree. So there you have it, 10 incredible and budget-friendly RC vehicles. From the high-speed brushless action of the MJX to the precision crawling of the HobbyPlus Convoy, all the way to the water and air, there's a perfect gift for every RC lover on this list under $150. But for our bonus vehicle, we can't end this list without talking about the new Speck-B from HobbyPlus. It just released and it's their take on the 1/24th scale micro buggy class, and it just looks amazing, especially at only $99.99. The Speck-B is brushless ready, which is a bonus over the low-C micro B. The Speck-B also has long travel suspension and metal gears right out of the box. Also, Bermco RC Parts is in development of a slew of aftermarket parts for the little guy, so keep your eyes open. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let us know down in the comments below which one of these vehicles on the list is your favorite. As always, we made it super easy for you and linked to every single one of these vehicles down in the description below, or you can head directly over to our website at www.naughtybuyRC.com. And remember, keep it naughty.